size 9.5, size 8, size 9, 9.5, size 6.5. Then I got this is straight. Yes, sir. Damn, energy boy called on better than another. Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
A lot of blue rays, cheat on my pet.
Oh, dope.
Addicted to sex, I got it.
It just happened while George's.
Don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice. I don't got.
Yes, sir. That is your boy Colvin back with another video, bro. Today we are about to be copying the Jordan 1 Gem Reds. I'm pulling up to Lenox right now, bro. We finna do a little bit of cooking. I actually found out these are way more limited than I thought on the apps, bro. Literally I got waitlisted one time on the apps. Hope y'all can see me. I am dark skinned. And then after I got waitlisted, I still didn't win. So I didn't win nothing. So what I'm finna do, I'm pulling up the Nike Lenox right now. We finna see the line, bro. I'm already scared for this. There's people in the parking lot. Yeah, some people are already at Nike Lenox. So I'm finna go ahead, park my car. We finna head over there, bro. And try. I got one pair I gotta pick up at a different mall. But other than that, bro, we really just out here just gonna try and chef it up, bro. Alright, so bro, we just got to Nike Lenox, bro. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro. What you doing if you're not subscribed to the channel, bro? Come on, subscribe, bro. Come on, you gotta mess with the kid. If y'all can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, bro, this is finna be. Well, I guess y'all hear from me if I get up there. I only want small sizes, blah blah blah, and I'll hit y'all when I hit you.
盖文哥，那我等等能不能直接就买了放你车上？哎，店员，放上好了。一人可以买2对。
Did he say 2 sizes per person?
Yeah.
Or 2 shoes per person?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I didn't even know they was finna do that.
And that means they got paid.
What did
He said they were gonna.
I don't know if I want to buy 2 pairs. They got pairs.
He said they were gonna. Bars wearing them right now, if you can see. Dang, but this is how long the line is, though. Nah, I'm waiting. I'm trying to catch it live on camera if I get the W. You said you do 190? Man, drove, huh?
The people behind me got a size 9, bro, and a 9.5.
No. You know that girl, the one was in front of me? She had a 7.5. I don't know how, bro. She was just like, yo, you can have the 9.5. I was like, what do you mean? She was like, no, you can have the 9.5. I'm like, how? She was like, I'm getting a 7.5. I was like, what do you mean you're getting a 7.5?
No lie. 2 people behind me got a size 9.
That's tough. They had more than, I'm about to tell, bro.
Wait, they buying or selling?
They buying. For 12, that man dropped.
12.5.
I'm sick. He literally caught it live, bro. I don't even know if I got my size 8 or not. I'm finna check, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm finna see live. Still says pending, bro. It still says pending. Sir, the plug again. Dro done came through with the size. What size is that? The size 8. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, always. Yes, sir.
They look good. I like.
Yeah, they do. Actually do. Hold on, that's my first time seeing them in person.
I like the midsole too.
Yeah, I like how it's not white. That red, hold up, this may grow on me.
Yeah.
This not bad. I may have to see what, I'm about to go back to Nike. Honestly, I'm going back to Nike. Bro, I this size 9. Try and see if you can get it. I'll be so hurt, bro. I literally got sold out for the size 9. At 10:36, they let me know. Don't ask why this is an Abercrombie & Fitch bag, but we currently are 3 pairs in right now. We're finna try and go back to Nike, see if they let us get a size 9, 9.5. I heard they still have some. Then we gotta go to another mall, try and cook as much as possible today, bro. These shoes actually going up in price right now. Like as I'm speaking, it's like 10.40 or something like that. So, and then try and go back in Nike, bro. See if they let me in. If they don't, they don't. If they do, yes, sir. We cook today. No, it's the kid in the fields. We is back, bro. We back on camera time. We just got to Cumberland Mall, bro. I gotta go pick up a size 8.5 at DTLR. I'm finna see if there's any stores in here. First come, first serve. I don't know about that, but yeah, we at least know we're getting the size 8.5. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the DTLR. But here you go, you know, the beautiful Cumberland Mall. Yes, sir. So I didn't show y'all the fit of the day. So we got this thrifted purple shirt. Pretty sure I worn this in a video before. Some black jeans, Nike sneakers, Atlanta belt, and the bread toe Jordan 1s. But like I said, bro, we're about to go upstairs at the DTLR. We haven't been here in a minute, bro. Okay, so we are back at my apartment, bro. So I got a good amount. I got more than I probably told you at the beginning of this video, how much I thought. I'm gonna run now the size that I got. Just for some motivation, like if you guys wanna like buy sneakers, say you lose on all the reservations, because look, this is coming for somebody that lost all the reservations, all the Foot Locker, all the Foot Action, all the Champs. I lost all of them. I woke up this morning early. I woke up, I set my alarm at 7, left the house probably like 7:30, whatever like that, took a shower. Got to the mall. I got there about 8:05, something like that. Waited at the Nike line. Nike let us get 2 pairs per person. I'd never heard of that before, but they let us get 2 pairs per person. So when I got that, then shout out to Dro. Dro's, bro, that's my man. Dro, I mess with. But after that, I went to Cumberland, and at Jimmy Jazz, they actually had some pairs, like some good sizes left. So I went there, asked questions, went back to DTLR. I also got a grade school size, and then I went to Finish Line and I caught. So I've been around all the sizes that I got. These are, you can't really see all of them, but some are behind me. But we're gonna start, I guess, I don't know, I'm gonna just grab this. So this one is the size 10. Now this is the biggest size. And I'm gonna also compare like my smaller size to the grade school size and see the different quality. They did kind of mess me up on the box, though I am kind of sick, so the box. But the size 10, I don't think I need to take these out, but let me take out the size 10 because this is the closest to my size. I don't need to take all of these out. But look at these, bro. These is actually tough. Somebody at the Nike, like that was working there, he actually had these on. It's fire though. I'm not even finna hold you. This shoe is actually fire. It came out better than I thought. Not for resoles, obviously look better to me because they just look harder, but I wasn't sure about how I was gonna feel with that red swoosh, but it's actually not that bad. I actually kind of like it. Size 9.5, size 8, size 9, 9.5, size 6.5, then I got size 8.5. Obviously the money makers, like the real ones is like size 8, 8.5. The 9's probably gonna do okay. Dang, I can't even fit all this in the frame. I have 2 more that's not even here. No duh. I got, let me see, dang, sneaky. Okay, I got these. And then these. Oh, this could be a thumbnail. But yeah, so these are all that I got. And basically, bro, like, I got these, like, I had 2 of these products in reserve. So if you minus these, I got all these other ones just from waking up early. So if you felt like you took an L today, bro, because I actually, like, these were more limited than I thought. Did not think these were that limited. Or just like not even limited, but to the fact to where like not a lot of people got them. Like most of my friends, we did not get on reservations and stuff like that. The reservation thing made me dead. I'm finna compare the grade school with the size 8 on the quality to see the difference. These are beautiful though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These are very, very beautiful though. It's the size 8. But y'all know I love the new shoe smell. I can't win on Supreme, but I can cook Jordans. I don't understand that. Besides the swoosh, like the swoosh is like this leather. It's not like the crease leather like this one has. I'll show you if you can see the difference. Yeah, it's like there's crease leather and then non-crease leather. You can see, if I can move this lace, but you can see the difference. Other than that, first looks at it, doesn't look like there's any much that different, but I mean, it's still a great shoe. The grade school just doesn't have that crease leather, which I actually kind of like. It just makes it, it's like a subtle flex, kind of like that. But yeah, that's in this video, bro. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. We will try and cook up every single release, bro. The Yeezys, I can't wait for those. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, bro. And yeah, I'm the outro, so.